Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change number on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, press enter and you will get to this page. On this page you'll have to log into your account, so click on this login button at the top right corner. Then this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, you'll have to enter your login credentials and then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link where it says forgot password to reset it. Once you click on this button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, to change your phone number, you'll have two options. Either click on your profile at the top right corner. Then on this menu, they will give you an option to update your personal details. If you don't have that option, what you can do is click on this button where it says support. Then click on help. After that, on the left hand side where it says my account, you will see this option, where can I update my personal details. Click on this link. Then they will give you an instruction. According to this instruction, you'll have to send an email to this email address stating your problem, that is changing your phone number, and also include your username to verify your identity. You should also send a bank statement or utility bill, and once you have done so, enter your old number as well as new number and press on the send button. Once you have done so, they will review your application, and after they verify your identity, they will update your phone number. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.